So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and check it out, a soccer ball! Yeah, why don't you and I draw a soccer ball together? It's from the sport of soccer. In some parts of the world, they call it football. To draw a soccer ball, first we need to draw a big circle, just like that. Perfect! And then we need to draw a pentagon. Yeah, the pentagons are the black parts. So let's go like this. Whoa, 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 whoa! Perfect! Then we have to color it in. Whoa! Yeah, because this part of the soccer ball is the color black. Wow, perfect. And then we go like this. Oop, oop. Oop, 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 oop. These are kind of triangles, but it's because we can't see the other side of the pentagons. We need to color them in, color them in, color them in, color them in, color them in. Yeah, now we need to connect them. Boop, 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 boo. Wow, is that a beautiful soccer ball? I know. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I. P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!